Are you unable to find your favorite apps on your Samsung phone's home screen? This usually happens because of accidental removal, changes in settings, or software updates. It's important to fix this so you can quickly access the apps you use most. Don't worry, here's how to get your favorite apps back on the home screen. Let's get started. First, go to the settings. Then scroll down a little bit. Find the home screen option. Then tap on it. Now scroll down a bit. Next, tap on Hide Apps on the home screen and app screens. Here, you'll find your hidden apps at the top. Now just tap on the app, then tap Done from the below. And that's it. Now go back to the home screen, slide left, and here it is. Your hidden app is back again. Alright everyone, this is how you can easily get your favorite apps back on your Samsung phone's home screen. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. Thanks a lot for watching.